All right, now we're jacked up. She's pretty full of air as she is, but I'm just gonna look for any damages that I can see. And because this guy's such a good customer, I'm gonna take it off and put it on. I'm gonna take my time with this one. Because he knows it's leaking, and it's a slow leak, maybe 2 or 3 pounds a day. So whatever we're looking for is very, very small. Let's see what we can find. I need to lubricate this gun. It's all dried up. Sounds like it's dried up. I don't even think this is my gun, but I'm not gonna get into that. All right, so now I don't have any soapy water because I don't really carry that stuff, especially in this weather right now. It's 24 degrees out here in Indianapolis. If I carried it, it would probably freeze. Maybe if I carried it inside the vehicle, it'd be a different story, but right now we're just checking for any damages. Oh, customers are always right. This ain't Burger King, but customers right. Look at that. There's a nail right there. It's an irreparable, it's not in a repairable area, but because this guy's so cool, always calls me back, I'm gonna make sure this tire is good to him before he leaves. And you won't believe it, I plugged this tire before, and that's the old plug from like August that I plugged right there. Holding good. This nail right here, that's where he's leaking air from. I'm gonna put that back in there for a second and then pop it out, but I'm gonna go get my plug-in tools real quick, so sit right there, y'all. The weapons of choice. It always makes me happy when I find a problem early on, because that just lets me know we're gonna be able to repair it. We're gonna be able to get this guy on the road, and he's gonna be another happy customer. Well, he's gonna be a repeat happy customer. And that's what you really want. You want your customers to have a good experience. And if you can provide some saving of money, any way, shape, or form. I know a lot of guys who would just turn this call down. And honestly, maybe I should too. But Randall's a loyal customer, and I'm gonna treat him with some loyalty. So these are the self-galvanizing plugs. I think they pretty much become rubber itself once it adheres in there. And as always, we're gonna put some rubber cement on it to help it cure. This is what we're doing. Just a little bit of that goes a long way. A lubrication for the nation. Can I get a repeat? Can I get a whoop whoop? Lubrication is a necessitation. And firstly, like always, we're gonna use our reamer tool to make this hole bigger so we don't struggle getting this plug in there too much. I'm gonna set that right there in your view so you can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out this little nail. Just using a little pry tool. Indianapolis, look at this, nails everywhere. Another nail off the road. Thank the Roadside Genius for that one. All right, tire's leaking. We're pushing it through. Oh, this is my one that's broken, that doesn't work very well, but let's see if I can at least get it in there. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Plug time. ease it on in there. Because if you put too much pressure, it'll slide right through. Just like so. This right here is an optimal plug in my opinion. That's what you want them to look like right there. And now you're gonna yank it out of there real quick and easy. Now she's no more leaking. Next part, I razor blade off the excess because you want the plug to look clean like the other one. It's below the tread. So give me a second. Let me put this down because I need to hold the tire while I do this. So here we're just using the saw motion back and forth. And that there's it. And that's it. I'm gonna look around, see if there's any other nails or something. I don't see anything else. I'm almost 900% sure that was it right there. We're just gonna slap it on, throw some air in it, and then another happy customer. What up? Here. I'm going to read all the comments in a second and respond accordingly if there's any. If you like the videos, thank you. If you don't like the video yet and you're still watching, what you waiting for, man? Drop a like. There we go. I love these lug nuts. They're so long. You can just go like, whoop. That's what she said. I'm just kidding. But, yep. I feel pretty good about this one again. And there's a good reason why he wants to repair these. This is a Continental 245 45 ZR20. And if you look that up on Google, that's probably a $250 tire just for the rubber. Then you got installation and balancing. So to get this one replaced 3 times, instead of having me come out and repair it or having a tow truck come, he's at least spending 125 plus on each visit, right? But not with me. With me, Randall saves money, saves time. He's actually eating at a restaurant right now with his family. Pulled up before he even had to leave. He just came out here and handed me the lock and lug nut tool for his lug nuts. We went back inside and he's eating dinner. And if that's not a service, I don't know what is. Torque stick. This is a Chrysler 300, so that's what we're using. Always give these back to the customer. Don't forget it. They need that, whether they need you or not, so don't forget it. Looks like the tire pressure is just at 10 pounds, so we're gonna put more pressure in there. Call Randall out here, let him know that I repaired the tire in the spot that I wasn't supposed to, but he's gonna appreciate that. And he's gonna call me back when and if he needs me again. So go ahead and drop this beast. Put my jack up. So I'm gonna try to give Randall a discount just because he always uses me, but a happy customer will never want to pay you less. He's probably just gonna hand me 85 bucks or pay the $85 fee anyway. I don't expect that. I just know from experience. Tool bag up, tire repair kit up. All right, so that's it. We're all done here, just airing it up. We're almost to where we want to be. Honestly, we're almost over where we want to be. So let me cut this off real quick.